Hello everyone, I am Dr. Tushar, Assistant Professor in Department of Marketing at International School of Management, Patna. Here I am dealing with the subject of BBA fourth semester of Aryabhat Knowledge University, and the paper code is BBA 405 and the subject name is Social Marketing Research. Okay, in the social marketing research, the first topic which we are going to deal here is the Indian society. As we hear the word the Indian society, and we are thinking that it's the Indian society, and the subject which we are studying is the marketing research. How Indian society and marketing research is related. We have to find the first thing. All over the research, over the world, over the India, or over the state. However, whom on this all this research has been done? On the citizens, on the different people of the different categories, different social class, different rank status, people out of different religions, different ethnic groups. So when we are taking the response of different respondents from scattered all over the world or all over the India, if I'm talking about the Indian society, if I'm taking the response from the Indian society, it means the person from whom I am taking the response, he must be of different backgrounds. I have to find out that background. And without having the knowledge of the Indian society, I can't correctly collect the data. I can't quickly assimilate the data. I can't do the research. That's why all the marketing researchers has to study the society, the social status, the social background of India. After studying the Indian society, only we can conduct a successful marketing research for different companies or for different agencies. If you are thinking that you can build your career in the marketing research, it means first of all you have to go through the Indian society. What its parameters, how it is divided, what is the social stratification, and many more things. Okay, now we are starting the Indian society. As we heard the word Indian society, we start thinking about the complexities that Indian society, it means different religions are there, different castes are there, different ethnic groups are there, different social groups are there, different income class are there. How many parameters one society, Indian society, and the millions of parameters. How we can classify these parameters, how we can distinguish them all. So for distinguishing them, to identifying them correctly, to gather the knowledge about their taste, preference, buying pattern, user status, we have to know the Indian society. All over the world, Indian society is famous. For what it is famous? It is famous for its caste, it is famous for its class, it is famous for its religion. That Indian society is only the society which is having the unity in the diversity. Okay, different living standards are here. Many Britishers are coming there, many foreigners are coming there to show our diversity, that how differently our culture is divided, how many diversified culture we are having. If we are finding the Indian society's keywords, how we can define it? What are the keywords we have to write in the exam? Okay. Uh, After having the Indian society, the first word which comes in our mind, that is the strongly patriarchal. Now, what is the meaning of the word patriarchal? The word patriarchal has came from very ancient period. It is has been used. It is being implemented in different cultures all over the India, all over the India. Why? Because if we are using the word patriarchal, patriarchal means what? Patriarchal means when the society is being dominated by any male member, then we are using the word patriarchal. If any society is dominated by any male member, either it is of any culture, it is of any ethnic group, it is of any social group, it doesn't matter. If it is dominated by the male person, then we will term it as the patriarchal. Okay, okay, patriarchal society. It means all over the India, all those society, all those culture are being dominated by the male person. That's why Indian society is having the nature of strongly patriarchal. The next word is strongly hierarchical. Hierarchical, why? Hierarchical means When we are having the step by step system, we are having the systematic procedure of doing anything, of celebrating anything. For each and everything we are having the hierarchy. Either it is the hierarchy of the caste, or either it is the hierarchy of the class: upper class, middle class, lower class, then having the sub segments of upper class, upper lower class, middle upper class, middle lower class, then lower upper class, lower lower class. So these are what? These are the hierarchy which all over the Indian society we have to follow, either on the basis of the religion. In religion also there is the hierarchy: who is the superior one, who is the inferior one, who is untouchables. So these are the hierarchy which we have to study here under the Indian society. Next is the presence of the caste system, about which we are talking. The caste system. The caste system is related with the religion, or it is being related with the profession. If we go in our ancient periods, if we move towards search around our civilizations, we will find that there were the caste system which were totally based on the profession. If a potter, if a potter, if a iron man, potsman, they are doing the different activity related to their occupation. That's why, due to the recognition of their occupation, due to the recognition of their profession, they are known by that particular caste, like goldsmith, blacksmith. They are engaged in the similar activities. Their next generation is also engaged in the similar activities. That's why they are, on the basis of their profession, they are known that they are the goldsmith, they are the blacksmith, they are the potter. Okay, so these are the presence of the caste system in the Indian society, and this caste system is having very strong root in our society. Because, however, if we are moving towards any remote places in the rural areas, then it matters a lot of what caste you belong to, of what caste a particular majority of the population belongs to, who is dominating the which caste. But if we are moving towards the semi-urban areas or the urban areas, it doesn't matter. Only the caste system matters at the time of the marriage, because we are having our culture, we are having our civilization, we have to follow our customs, rituals, we have to perform it according to the socially acceptable manner. So at that time only we have to know our caste. But in spite of that, during the purchasing pattern, we don't matter of what caste anyone is, of what caste a customer is, of what caste a consumer is. It doesn't matter at all. It is now null and void. The fourth one, Indian society's feature. Next is the rank and status oriented. Rank. Rank means someone is superior than you. You are the inferior than him. It means somewhere we are creating the position that of in which rank category I am. I am in the frontline category, I'm in the superior category, or I'm in the backward category, or I'm having the high status, middle status, lower status. Because rank is related with our status. If I'm a first rank officer, first class officer, it means I'll be having the status of high. I'll be having a high status. My living standard will be high. The things which I am consuming, which will be of the qualitative matter. It will be of the branded, that brand, that product which I am consuming, the company which I am following. It all represent our rank and status in the society. However, if we just move a century ago, just near about the independence or before independence, we will see that the rank and status the people were gaining according to their prosperity, how prosperous they are, according to their caste, in which caste system they are, according to their religion, of what religion they are. Are they of superior religion? Are they of the superior caste, superior class? It means they will be having the rank, a superior rank, a good status lifestyle. Okay. And the last one is the ethnic group and rank. What is the word ethnic group? If I am defining the word ethnic group, it means the people located on the basis of some specific geographical areas, like the people living in the coastal plains, the people living in the hilly areas, the people living bankside, river bankside, the people living in the dense forest, the people living in the urban areas. They are having their own ethnic group, and on the basis of this ethnic group, they are having their own food preference, they are having their own clothing preference, they are having their own different measures of the life. They are having the different living standard. They are having the different making of their housing pattern, their clothing pattern, their occupation pattern. Everything is different in their particular ethnic group because it is being controlled by their superior. It is being controlled by their group boss. That's why ethnic group also relate to our Indian society, because in India we are having the different ethnic groups, and different ethnic groups are having the different customs, different rituals. We can't change them. We can't change them. We can only influence them. The same thing the marketing companies are also doing. They are just influencing them that in this particular custom, in this particular rituals, you can buy our this product. This product can be matched with that particular religion, particular tradition. So marketing research is basically doing on all these areas. Okay, or they are trying to influence all these areas. Like they are making it patriarchal. They are changing the patriarchal system. They are changing the hierarchical system. They are changing the presence of caste system in the society. Now, no one is being considered under rank or status oriented. We can't classify it on the basis of ethnic group. If advertisement is there on the broadcasting media, on the television, we can't say that this advertisement is only for the patriarchal, or this advertisement is only for the hierarchical, or this advertisement is for caste, rank, or ethnic group. We can't say that. Why we can't say that? Because in the Indian society, when companies are targeting you, they are not targeting on your caste, they are not targeting on our religion, they are targeting on our needs, they are targeting on our demands, how the needs can be converted into wants, and the wants can be converted into demands. Once the need has become the demand, the target, the objective, the aim of the company has been fulfilled. He has completed, he has successfully accomplished its goal, that our need has been converted into a demand. That is the Indian society, and that is the complexities which we are showing in the Indian society. Now, these are the we consider that these are the features of Indian society. The first one is the multi-ethnic. Multi-ethnic means we are having the different ethnic groups. Ethnic group means what? The on the basis of different geographical areas. The people residing in the different geographical areas, and they are dependent on that geographical area. Their main occupation, their living pattern is based on that geographical area. Next one is the multicultural. Multicultural, why? Different multi-ethnic group are having the different culture to perform any, to celebrate any festivals, to perform or celebrate any particular occasion, marriage, death ceremony, birth ceremony, different ceremonies. For that, they are having the different culture, and that culture is being performed in our Indian society. If we are moving from state to state or district to district, we will be coming under to see that they are having a different culture, and we are just getting it. After multicultural, the main feature of Indian society is the multilingual. After every few kilometers, after hundred of kilometers, we will see that our dialect changes, our language changes, on the basis of the zone, on the basis of the state, on the basis of even on the basis of after every 100 kilometers, our dialect changes, our languages changes. If a people coming to India, they will be thinking that the majority of the people were saying the Hindi. No, it's a misconception. Majority of the people were saying speaking English. Again, it's a misconception. As he will move to different areas, he will find that we are using a different lingo, different linguistics, different languages, different dialects. If I'm talking about the Hindi, under Hindi there are different dialects. Now you have to recognize that which dialect you have to focus, which language you have to focus. Okay, multi-religious. Majority there are only four religions: Hindu, Islamic, Christianity, Sikh. Otherwise, there are also the minor religions are there. Jainism, Buddhism. These all are the multi-religious culture of our country. Plural. We don't think everything in Indian society is of the single nature. Everything is of the patriarchal system, pluralistic system. We have to follow it either by our own, or the society will make you to accept it. Okay, that's all for this session. Thank you.